Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Siri on your headphones Soundcore A25i. You have to start by open the application and now go to controls. Then you should decide what gesture you want to use, a single tap, double tap or press and hold. And then decide you want to use left one or right one earbud. I prefer left one, but it's okay for the right one also. And I want to use it on the single tap. So just click on it and choose Siri. And now, if I press one time on my left earbud, I will call it Siri. As you can see, it works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!